Hello friends, today we will see how to make kundan rangoli on OHP sheet. So for that we need OHP sheet. This is a colored one. You can use a plain transparent one as well. Take a white paper and whatever design you want to make, just cut that out. So I will use this as a template, a scissor, a pen, toothpick, half moti, some colorful beads, stone chain, ball chain, and craft glue. So guys, if you have fabric glue with you, I will suggest use that. Here I don't find any fabric glue, so I need to use the white craft glue. Else for the best result I will recommend you to use fabric glue only. So now for the design we need this and 6 this type of design for the kundan rangoli. So as you can see, I have just cut out the OHP sheet. Now take the craft glue and just outline the OHP sheet. As you can see, I've outlined the OHP sheet. Now take the ball chain and paste it. The reason I want you to use the fabric glue is that the craft glue, it's a bit watery and it take time to dry. Fabric glue dry fast. So for me, fabric glue works better. So you can arrange the ball chain with the help of toothpick. We will again take the glue so now we have again apply some glue. We will paste the stone chain. So now we have pasted the stone chain as well. We will again apply some glue. So we have again applied some glue. On that we will paste some ball chain again. So this is how it's going to look after finishing. Now we will paste a moti. So this is the half moti. We will paste this here. Take the glue and apply. Now we will take the ball chain and paste it. Again apply some more glue. And don't worry about the glue that it's looking white after drying. It will just give this shiny, that's all. It won't look white. If you could see, it's just shining here. Now we will paste this. Some glue again, and then ball chain. Again some more glue and paste some kundan. And then again ball chain. So I'm done finishing. This is how it's going to look. Now we will take the center piece, and I have made the same border as this one. So since this is too heavy, I will keep it simple. I will just paste 1/2 moti in the center. I will paste these beads over here. So this is the finished look for this one. Now we will assemble the rangoli. So when it's wet, the background is white, as you could see, but once it will dry, it will be like this. So this is the final look of the rangoli. Do let me know, guys, whether you like this video or not. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.